Hi, welcome to our instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your journey header. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. So first things first, remove all the components from the carry case and lay out on a clean, flat surface. The header comes in 3 parts, and they simply attach together via screws and wing nuts. So go ahead and line up the corresponding symbols to one another. Make sure the brackets are facing the same direction when you're screwing the pieces together. Simply go ahead and screw the pieces into place. Once they are screwed together, you can now go ahead and attach the graphic. This is an SEG graphic, so fold those silicone gaskets into the channels and start on one corner, do the corner diagonally opposite, do the 2 remaining corners, and then fill out the rest as you go along. With the graphics now in place, you can go ahead and affix the header to the top of your journey configuration. And there you have it. It's just that simple to set up your journey header.